Assalamu alaikum, pyare Hazur. My name is Iyam Mahmood. I'm from West Croydon Jamaat, Bedford region, and my question is, why are there atheists in the world, and what can we do to help them understand the existence of God?
You see, I told you the other boy that they should read the book Our God and the 10 proofs of the existence of God. If you read that book, you will know how to reply these people who are atheists. Okay? And apart from that, if you want any detailed answer, you write to me. I will give answer in writing to all of you who are not able to ask any question because of shortage of time. So now the time is over. Allah Hafiz and Nafir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.